Okay, so mufile mwachita avoid unnecessary things. Okay, for fyalero shamu unnecessary things. Unnecessary things twachanda po twalandire po muri previous presentation ma overcrowding mu group pens whereby mulebike nkumbeshingi, but mufile mwata avoid that. Just put maximum of 3 cells in one pen. That will really help. Okay, so now today we are going to step 4, flow type. Flow type. So we want to look at flow type. So now ni type in share flow eyo mufile mwapangilamo pen yenu gestation pen mukati mulenyanta ama cells ifwile yaba flow ili shani. So it's number good flow options. Good flow options. 1, concrete. Ifwile yaba concrete rough. Okay, concrete rough, not slippery yo. Matwanda ati slippery tuyande yaterera tamufule mwapange yaterera ifure yaba rough floor. Okay, then partially slated floors. Partially slated floor tuyanda mufule mwapanga ku floor yako bati punch if possible mwabakati mwapanga pa ma slats mwabika pa ma slats whereby na ngushasunda imisu shiri ya punch shiri pita mwapanga kwati kamu follow mukati mudakali pita. Okay, so that ngashasunda bwangu misu shire kunkuruka shire fuma na nguma filafine yale fuma filafine sa mukwa fulisho kushita avoid amalwele mukatika pen area. Okay, then if into effort to avoid ngatule panga flow yamu gestation pen. 1, slippery surfaces. So nina ndapo slippery surfaces era mufule mwa avoid completely. No bubi bwaba mu slippery surfaces flow nga mwaipange slippery mwalasa ngo kweba ati inkumba yala filo kula balance bwino, then amatroters yala mbokona ikala mbokupange filonda. So nga yapange filonda ni yala bani responsibility yobe as a farmer ukwamba okutashani kwamba okufire spray yako bati mu spraying pakwe bati filonda filafiteshani fipole nishimambo kwata unnecessary expenses. So to avoid that, make sure that floor yaba rough, not slippery. Then sharp edges, futi mufule mwata avoid floor ikwete sharp edges. I'm talking about the same thing, whereby you are going to cause injuries now to what? To the animals, to the sows, which will actually in turn in unnecessary expenses. Okay, then take note, proper flow prevents leg injuries and abortions. So when the flow is okay, takwabe amalegi kuba injured nga ili rough, then takwabe na abortions. So flow nga naliterera sana nkumba ikale flow balance. Now imagine sao if mwana alikula ili nangu 104 days. Okay, na ikuli numba yasa shelela. So yalambo okuta affect utubana mumala mulya yo yala salenga nombo ko bati kwaba nimbi na abortion nishimwa kwata loss linkumbia ko bati yali pa calendar mwali ibika na mtana expected date of delivery ero no masa sangati on the way or along the way fyata shani kwaba abortion abana bonse baona. That is mortality nishimule kwata loss. So those are some of the things you need to pay much attention to. Very, very important as a piggery farmer. Please follow my steps. You are going to be a successful piggery farmer. Okay. Then feed management in gestation pen. Let us now look at step 5. Feed management in a gestation pen. How do you manage feed in gestation pen? So gestation pen, as you already aware that gestation pen, this is a pen where pregnant sows are kept. Okay, so meaning mupeni musango afema pregnant sows nomba nga feeding management yenda shani emutwe o tulero le shapo pali step number 5. So tulanda okwebati. We are going to look at now feeding guide. So pregnant sows must not be overfed or underfed. Tamufiremu alisha sana pregnant sows or ukukana alisha yonsere some kind problem, but if they are maintained, so you're in a guide you refer to the shape. Want to look at that. So the first one we are saying 2 to 2.5 kg per day. So a pregnant sow should be eating feed of this quantity. Eating 2 to 2.5 kg per day. That is normal. You have to be making sure that every day muleipela awene you're in a quantity. Then that is early mid gestation. So iyi quantity mufure mulepele nkumba sao ili yakwebati elo yakwata fe ifumo. Okay, mufire muleipela iyine. Okay, then nga yapishapo na 4 weeks from epo yakwatile fumo papita 4 weeks, which is equivalent to 1 month. Mufire mwachitako increase ka feeding from now 2.5 to 3 kg per day. 2.5 to 3 kg per day. Remember, feeding yaliba very very important pa piggery farm, because once mwakusanya efi tamwakwate production yala mitwala pantanshi. So you have to master this. Okay, then feed must contain. Now in a feed fintunshi efo ifwile yakwata, because each number one tatulalolesha pali feed formulation and the like yoni presentation imbi, but lelo tulelesha pali gestation efichitika nomba pali ine feed yomulepela pregnant sow finshi efo ifwile yakwata, efo ifwile yachita contain my ingredients nshi afwile yasangwamo. Okay, my ingredients nshi afwile yasangwamo. So number one twalalolesha pali energy. Okay, so energy mufwile mwa pel ifeed ifwile ya contain my ingredients ayapela energy. Okay, you know energy is vital to a human being, so as well as to an animal like a pig, because we have the same breath. So energy must be there. So provide strength and body maintenance. So energy provide strength and body maintenance. Then the sources, if my energy now if yakulya ni amataba, cassava, then sorghum. So amataba or maize, cassava and what? Sorghum. Amataba, amasaka na tute ekufuma energy. So mfulemu making sure that feed yenu mwasangwefi pakwe bati energy atashani yabapo. Okay, then also wheat bland na ina pela energy. Take note now, too much energy nga yafulisha finshi fichitika now kunkumba fat sow, and this cause difficult following. So energy nga ilefulisha sana nga mulepele fyakulya fikwete sana energy malasango kubati sow yalainisha sana yalakwata mafuta sana, then nga yakwata mafuta again pala bali problem bakusanga kupapa malasanga timbi yalafira okupapa eyapurumbanga yafira okupapa again malasalusha okwamba okushita vaccine yarachita facilitate force labor. Then i vaccine yo tukesa landa hapo na kabiri yo tukamba okulolesha pali vaccine now yo tufire twabompya pa piggery farm yo tufire twakwata yonna ina ni presentation imbi. So i vaccine now yala costing instead yakubati mwachita avoid nkumba mwaipere fyakulya fili nomo bwino ukuchira mwaipere fikwete sana rich in energy, so that ine sana ikwate sana mafuta ikwate problem pakupapa. Then ngate ifyo ngata mwase ingishamo vaccine, then grimbi yala safwe nkumba na utumana tonse tufwe nangu tumana tonse twalafa. That is a great loss. For example nkumba limbi yali no kwato 316 then neine yafu nilosi nshimo mara kwata nshimo kwata loss. So ifyo efintu fyaba critical pamonga piggery farmer ukwamba okulafirolesha hapo bwino sana pakwe bati farm yesu nangula business yesu inga pantanshi, because in business tatutekera fe for pressure kulolesha pali business. So kula ta consider tro tuntu tulemaka tuli important matubika into consideration ero mwarachita excel. Okay, so mufirema making sure my parent if income my parent if yakulya if kwete fe energy ili normal fe not yabamo. Okay, then too little energy weak slow and small pig rates. Again energy ngatamulinga mulepere feed mushiri sana if yakulya fire pera energy marasa zongo wati nkumba 1 yalaba weak then yala kwata shani yala kwata tubano tunono nga yasakwa then tutubano tunono meaning is not kwata my issues health wise itwala lengo kwe bati mortality rate yaraba increased. Okay, then B feed mufune mwaba protein. So protein ibomba chinshi protein ichita builds building protein. So ifure yaba muri now sources of proteins kama proteins afyakulya nshini shifinga kwata protein ifo mwingale sankanya kuli feed eyo mulepela inkumba during feed formulation. So twalalosha palifyo so protein ila building one piglet muscles placenta utubana tuli mumara. So placenta yaraba build up, then piglet muscles also build up, then sow's body tissues also will be built up. And nga fyonse fyaba bwino munomo fyakula bwino fyalalenga nkumba ukwisa kwato tubano tuli very health. Then mortality rate nishumata reduce. Nenkumbe ine na yena yaraba health na breeding yara twalira po bwino ishengu malasa nga chala fyala for 6 times mumuna yakwata 6 times yonse ili akati ya Yesu shapali mwando akoba tumwale isenda bwino in terms of feed. So feed yali bani critical thing yo mufiro kuta consider pamonga piggery farm. Okay, then the quad level ya proteins ni 13 to 14% crude protein. Okay, then sources now let us look at now the sources of food that enrich protein. One of them is soybean meal. Very important. So that's the reason why you could feed kuraba soybean meal. So ilia concentrate yote sa mkushita concentrate iyo bapanga muma companies abapanga feed like Tiger animal feed. Okay, na Novatech. So balesa mukubika muyonza ya ingredients. Okay, soybean meal ila bamo muri concentrate. So that's why concentrate are very important when you are formulating feed fure yabapo. Okay, because mulia mwali bako fimo fyaba very important if it's add value kuli feed iwe nkumba ya laria. Then sunflower cake na ena ila pela protein. Then kwa bana groundnut cake na ina pela protein. Okay, then fish meal small amount aina mwabika kwa fish meal small amount amwina mula benshi small amount of what protein. Then twafuma hapo twala pali minerals. So feed iwe nkumba ile ili sawa ili mu gestation ifere yakwata minerals afri abamo. So very important for bones. So minerals ila panga mafupa mukaka then na piglet survive. Piglet randa no mapatu bana tunono utuli mumara. So pa to survive fwe twakwata mineral because minerals ilesa ila pela ila panga ma bones ngafintu na londora fyonsapa. Then now let us look at minerals and its importance. So one of them is calcium. So calcium, the importance of calcium ipanga ma bones na milk. So ila ifure yabamo mineral in general. Then kwa phosphorus bones energy. Okay, then kwa salt appetite body balance. So salt na ena feed ifure yasangwa salt. Then salt for ibera ko ipera appetite sawa ikwete fumo. Remember, even a human being who is pregnant, they usually lose what? Appetite. So now, for the pig, for the sow, for it to gain that appetite, you should add salt to the feed. Mo adding a salt. Yara pela appetite. Okay? Then apart from that, we should also look at vitamins. So these are the ingredients that are supposed to be found in feed, which is taken by a sow in a gestation pen. So vitamin A are very important na yena. yabeerako fertility, okay, iratta fertilizer now, meaning tubana tukalekula very healthy. Then vitamin D, bone development, ama bones alaba developed. Then vitamin E eyisa mukuta prevent abortions. So imagine if yakulya ira feed nga tamuli vitamin D, meaning you are likely to increase the rate of what? Abortion. Then the rate of abortion ngaba increased, malo sieka eka as a piggery farmer nishimambo kulusa because tubana fena nkamo tubiri nishimwalusa nomba abortion limbi twachiba 8 tonse twaba aborted nishimulielusa. Then ili nkumba geni alambo kulya futi first seko yamba seko 1 foot kwambo kulya feed but nishitapali fo ipere frifyons. So nishitapali efo mulechita as a piggery farmer. So mufiremu making sure kwa tifyakulya file sangwa mulebei. Then each ta provide vitamins, vitamin A, B, and vitamin A, B, B, the vitamin that I've talked about, A, D, and A, ni premix. So that's why premix are very important because emusangwa ama vitamins atatu, A, D, and E. Premix. So kuli feed mufune mwadinga kwa at least ka percentage ka premix. Tukesa landa palifi time tukesa rolesha pali feed formulation now. Okay. Then step 8 twalalosha pali cleanness and hygiene before tufile twasunga gestation pen. So clean pens daily. So pen mufile mule cleaner chilabushiku. Then remove manure and wet bedding. Mufile mwafumyamo manure na fila mubikile mwe fya bomba fyose mufile mule fumyamo mule ba clean. Disinfect pens usually regularly. So kuta disinfect lyonse mufile mwapitamo mwata disinfect regularly papitako inshita mwata disinfect gestation pen to avoid unnecessary diseases. Then good hygiene prevents infections, prevents stillbirth. Okay, so infections tateti amasauzi yalwale. Then futi ali amasauzi teti yalwali kenabana bakiri mumala. Then amasauzi teti yakwate obulwere obuli bonse like swine flu. So ebulwere bwa dangerous sana pa farm intukambo kulosha pa malwere tukalolesha pali swine flu na repercussion chila bulwere fo ikwata. That's why you are here. Okay, then stress management. Step 9, how can we manage stress in a sow? Okay, in a pig, gestation pen. Pregnant sows must be calm and calm. So meaning cow, pregnant sow, if we ileva umulikozi, if we ileva disturbed son, we should avoid noise, loud noise. Loud noise ukula pange fyongo sana muri nkumba ishikwete amafumo because ili yara causing stress. Ero stress yara causing abortion ne fintu sana no kwata malos pa farm. Then rough handling, then ngatulecha ando nkumba ishina mafumo nangula masa pregnant sows tufure twata ando munshire isuma not rough kuma ukutashani fila fyonse fila causing stress. Then mixing and familiar sows, then ukuta mix amani familiar sows whereby mwayabula sawo ila mwayivikamo ilonga yaisa fyalambo kurwanga fyala causing stress. So fila fyonse we have to avoid them at all cost. Very very important. Then slippery floors, as I said earlier on, I talked about this. You should avoid slippery floors. The floor should be rough. Okay, then stress can lead to, so now in a stress kuti leading ku abortion na low litter size. So liter we are talking about utubana, that is a liter. Okay, animal science liter. So twalabo tunono. Then weak pig rate, some pig rate salaba na magata yakwete. So ngata yakwete maka malasa sankwati malakwata loss ikulusan. Okay, because mortality rate yalaba increased. Then twala pa presentation ikonkere pwedi in step 10 mu gestation. Tuchiri mu gestation. So pali nomba twala shira pa pene muri presentation. Twala konkanyapo ubushuku buli wonse muri presentation ikonkere po. Eicho, stay tuned. nokuta follow my YouTube channel, then Facebook page for more information about piggery farmer, more especially to you, the beginners.